Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is Fit at 45, what I eat. So I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. And I started off this day with a green juice. And in this green juice, I had celery, cucumber, apples, lemon, cilantro, and parsley. So it's kind of similar to a lemon ginger blast, didn't have the ginger. But this is a green juice that I like to make, and it's pretty good. So I started off with the green juice at around 12 p.m. And if you're new to my channel, I practice intermittent fasting. So I usually have my first meal around 12 or 1 p.m. And I usually finish eating around 6 or 7. So I'm fasting for at least 18 hours a day, most days. Sometimes I do a little different, but that's what I'm doing right now. And I also eat a plant-based diet for about the last 12 years. So the majority of my diet is based on plants like fruit, green salads, nuts and seeds, grains, legumes, vegetables, things like that. I'm also currently strength training 2 to 3 days a week and generally around 10 or 11 a.m. I do my fasted workout. You can check out my playlist on workout routines to see the type of workouts that I do, but they're pretty simple, a lot of body weight exercises. And then, just drink water throughout the morning, maybe have 1 cup of tea, and then break my fast around 12 or 1 p.m. And I ended up having about 28 ounces of the green juice to start out with. There it is. Next up at 2 p.m., I put together a smoothie. I've been really enjoying the smoothie lately. I've been making this a lot. I used 3 dates. I used 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 2 ripe fresh bananas, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of maca powder, and about 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, and a couple big handfuls of spinach. It had about 3/4 cup of almond milk and about 1/2 cup of coconut water, and then I blended that up in the Vitamix, and there it is. So try that one out, super delicious. Made just about 1 liter. Next up at 5 p.m., I had 3 oranges. There's 4 there, but I only ate 3. Then for dinner at 6 p.m., I had a salad. It had kale, greens, carrots, green onions, peanuts, and a spicy peanut dressing, which was super delicious. And then I had a pizza. This had mushrooms, pineapple, vegan sausage, and no cheese. So it was actually a vegan plant-based pizza. It was really good. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video if you want some really good recipes. These are recipes I make on a regular basis that are pretty delicious and also healthy. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you want to see more. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.